Hi there, this is Paige, who is Stamp Girl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you my project for the month of June. This is for the collab I'm doing with my friend Jill. I'm calling it Crafting with Jill. On the 25th of each month we share a project with you, and what we do is we go in search of some fun packaging ideas to share with each other and with all of you who tune in, and we share them on the 25th of the month. So for this month I used some papers from this DCWV paper stack called the Rustic Stack, and some of the papers have kind of a glittery, glossy glitter finish to them, and then some are just plain. But let me show you the project that I made. It's a little box and it has a belly band on it. One of the papers that I chose was this one with paisley and stars, and when I was looking for a way to decorate the belly band, I found this wood veneer frame in my stash, and it says Shine on there, and it had some stars along the side, and I thought it would be perfect. So I took some of the pattern paper that I used in the project and just glued it to the back of the frame, and then it just slides on and off. I took a Wink of Stella pen and just colored over the stars to give them a little sparkle, and I colored around the star on the word Shine. I'm sure that's probably not showing up for you, but you just slide this belly band off. Now this is a box idea from Sam Mixed Up Crafts here on YouTube, and she calls hers a concertina fun fold box, or a concertina fold box, and it looks like this. It's a series of 4 boxes, and you can attach as many as you want, but hers was 4 boxes and I decided to make 4 as well. And then 2 of the boxes are, every pair of boxes is attached together with a hinge. So there's a hinge here, and then on this side there's a hinge holding these 2 boxes together and these 2 boxes together. So first you put them together in pairs, and then you put the 2 end boxes in the middle together as a pair with a hinge. So it opens up like that and it can display. So you could probably decorate the sides of the box if the person were going to use it as a display item. But each of these boxes opens up. Her example showed some yummy chocolate candy bars. Mine's empty right now, but you could put a good amount of things inside of here. And it makes a fun little gift. And then of course the tops fold back in again. She says, well, except on camera they fold back in easily. And then you just slip the belly band on and it's ready for gift giving. There you go. And then I think I had it this way so a different pattern would show. And then the belly band just, whoops, let's not do it upside down though. Let's go this way. And this, my friends, is why I do not do tutorials on YouTube. There you go. That is my project. I will leave a link down below to Jill's channel so you can see what fun packaging ideas she discovered to make this month. And I'll also leave a link down below to the tutorial to make this concertina fun fold box. I'd like to thank you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.